This is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to learn how to expand a bracket involving algebraic terms using the distributive law. We want to expand the expression 3x multiplied into the bracket 2x plus 5. To do this, we are going to apply the distributive law to distribute the bracket, and then we're going to simplify the remainder. We're starting with the expression 3x multiplied into the bracket 2x plus 5. And we'll start by distributing the 3x into the 2x and into the 5. This is going to become 3x multiplied by 2x plus 3x multiplied by 5. Now we want to evaluate these two parts, simplify them, and then see if we can't simplify the end result. So we're going to start by simplifying the 3x by 2x. 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x is x squared, plus 3x times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and x times nothing is just x. And we can't simplify this expression anymore because x squared and x are not like terms. So our answer is 6x squared plus 15x. And that is how we distribute an expression involving algebraic terms. Fantastic.